We made it to the hotel. Ooh, we made it to the hotel. The hotel's nice. There's a nice pool. Nice. What's the thing you? What's the? Oh, it's called an entrance. There's a nice entrance. There's a nice lobby. Oh my God, I love this place. This place reminds me of Colombia, just without the skyscrapers, or like Medellin, Colombia, without the skyscrapers. Okay. This is the pool. Look at it. Looks so nice. Look at it. And then back there is the lobby. I'll show you a little bit of it. Or actually, I'll show you from walking in. Give me a second. See, we're still waiting for a bunch of people. I think we're gonna go to like, I think we're gonna go to some event in San Jose. Pride event. There's gonna be food trucks, food. I wanna eat. Let's go. First eating spot in freaking Costa Rica. Looks like KFC. Okay. Oh. We just got back from lunch. We ate at this place called, honestly, no me acuerdo, pero it was like, what was it? Pollo rotis, or roti pollo, algo así, no me acuerdo. Pero it was good, traditional, because at first they're like, oh, there's Chinese food, there's falafels. I'm like, we're in Costa Rica, you know? I don't know what like food, not typically Costa Rican, would be good in Costa Rica. Like Mexican food in LA. Oh. But yeah, so we did eat. It was good. Now we are in our first hotel stay of the day. Right now I'm alone, but I've two other roommates I don't know. So, but this is the door. You see the door, it's quite massive. It's quite amazing. The door, you come through the door, you got these two beds, the kitchen, this little hallway, el baño, and this huge master bed. Huge, claimed it. Okay, I kind of got quiet in that last clip because I thought someone was walking into my room, and I kind of got a little, embarrassed. Just freaking talking to a camera is a little embarrassing, so I started to get quiet because I thought someone walked in, but nobody walked in. So here I am on the bed that I claimed, the big bed, with my computer because I have an accounting class and I have homework to do. So yeah.
1, 2, because I'm basic and 1. Ready?
Salud.
Oh my God, are we all just
Oh
gonna
yeah,
do
that's
this? Okay.
You know what? Frick you guys.
Alright, are we ready?
Cheers. Oh. Hello. Oh my goodness. I just woke up. It's 4:39. I don't know if I woke up this early because of jet lag or just because I'm tired or just because. But I woke up. I'm a little tired, but I'm gonna use this time to be productive. Only because my friend told me to. So I'm gonna do my homework. While watching some Spanish Peppa Pig. Look at this Spanish Peppa Pig. Bye.
650.
Bye first hotel. Oh my God, look at the bus,
La Busa.
La Busa, oh shit.
La Busa.
Hey, La Busa almost caused me to fall.
What do you want to say?
Hello, Michael. Look at everybody. Where are we going? La Fortuna.
We are going to...
We're going white water rapid something.
Rafting?
Rapids. We have a bathroom in the bus. Yeah, we're going white water rafting. I can't speak.
We're going to Fortuna.
And that's like a 50-minute bus ride, so see you there.
last year we started just with ultimate brakes, and we started in May.
At the last day, last banger. Exactly. I'll get fucked up, have a little fun, and then go home.
Homie, how are you getting fucked up?
I told you, when we go, I will find a drink to pass on.
Hello, hello, buenos dias.
Buenos dias.
Guys, how are you feeling today?
Tired.
Bien.
Good? Are you happy?
Yeah.
And right now, there are 66 EF tours on the road. Was brown a few days ago. You had to take a look how beautiful it looks today, right? And why not getting off the bus and taking a photo? What about that? So you can catch some.
Dude, we just got off the bus, a little pit stop. Oh my goodness. This isn't even the waterfall that we were supposed to go to. But people were throwing up, yakking on the bus. Go get that picture. Go get that picture. And this isn't even the waterfall we were going to. Dude, look at this waterfall. I want to go where there. How do I get over there? What the heck? We are on a trek to the other side of the waterfall. Can we? Oh, we can't really get under, but still, that's dope.
I saw like a spiral staircase on the side of the water.
A staircase?
Yeah, I don't know if this is the way to get to it, but there was a spiral staircase behind the water. Okay. Yeah.
Oh shoot. Bro, it's so pretty, it's so pretty. This is so cool. Look at the waterfall. We just took some pictures right under the waterfall. Too nice. But now we're going back to the bus to make it to our final destination for the day. For Whitewater Rapids.